In this question, we've got ABCD as a rectangle, and we have to calculate the length of the diagonal. Question's impossible until you maybe draw a diagonal in, and then it might ring a bell. If we draw on the diagonal, what we've actually got, as well as a rectangle, is a triangle. Think about what work you've done this year involving triangles, and you should hopefully remember Pythagoras' theorem. Opposite the right angle, the longest side is the hypotenuse, which in this case is the diagonal, and that's what we want to work out. So remember, Pythagoras' theorem says that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the short side squared plus the other short side squared. In this case, the hypotenuse squared is equal to 12.3 squared plus 5.4 squared. And that gives 180.45. But that would be the square of the hypotenuse, the area if there was a square drawn on there. So we need to work out the hypotenuse on its own, which is the square root of 180.45, and that gives 13.4 centimeters. It's the longest side, so we're expecting it to be longer than 5.4 and 12.3.